Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error occurred while ejecting CD drive in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here at the button search bar, you need to type for control panel. Okay, and once you've typed that, wait for the best match to appear. Okay, and once it's here, click on open to proceed. So here with the control panel window, you need to proceed to programs. If your view doesn't look like this, proceed to view by and change it into category. Okay, so once it is being set, go with programs. And there you can see two options, which are programs and features and default programs. Proceed to programs and features. And there you would be able to see all the programs that you have in your Windows or computer. Now here's the catch. You need to look for Power ISO or Ultra ISO or any burning CD programs here in your Windows or computer. So in my case, I don't have any of this, okay? But if in your case you have such, just have to try to uninstall such. How? Just have to click on it and go with uninstall, okay? And completely uninstall the program. Again, it is Power ISO or Ultra ISO or any burning CD program. Okay, just have to try to uninstall that. And once you're done, simply close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.